Now we will be seeing the preparation of the income and expenditure account with the help of the receipt and payment account. After the preparation of receipt and payment account from the summary of the cash flow, now we have to move for the preparation of the next account, that is known as income and expenditure account. So what you can see that this is the receipt and payment account of XYZ Sports Club, which we have already prepared from the summary of the cash flow. Now I have recorded few of the adjustment transactions with this to show you the effect of these transactions while preparing the income and expenditure account. So this is the format for the preparation of income and expenditure account. Expenditure debited, income credited, because it is a nominal account, and nominal account says this thing that all expenses are to be debited and all the incomes will be credited. Now let us start the preparation of this. From the receipt and payment, we have seen that cash in hand, cash in bank, opening balances. So there is no need of opening balance in the income and expenditure account. Subscription. So this is the income for you. So it will be by subscription. So amount of subscription which we have received for the year ending 31/3/20, that is the current year 19 and 20, that is rupees 1,40,000. So we have to record only the amount which is related with current accounting year. If the amounts are not related with the current accounting year, those should not be recorded while preparing the income and expenditure account. Then comes tournament donation. Again, this is a donation for you, and that is for some specific purpose. So that will also not be recorded in income and expenditure account. It is a liability of the organization. So this will go in balance sheet. Then comes general donation. General donation may or may not be recorded in income and expenditure account. If the donation amount is of the small nature, so then it can be recorded in income and expenditure account. So unless and until there is a specific criteria given to us, so we can record this amount either in balance sheet or in income and expenditure account. But we have to write a note at the end that what we are doing. So in this case, we will be recording it in the income and expenditure account. General donation, that is 20,000. Then comes entrance fee. Again the same thing. For entrance fees also there is the criteria that you may capitalize that fee or you may treat entrance fees as a revenue. But if the instructions are not clear to us, so then we have got the option that where we have to write, it depends on us, and we have to prepare a note at the end of the statement. So again we will write this entrance fees in this income side only. Then comes interest on investment. That is interest on 12% investment. We have made a 12% investment purchase of 60,000. So on this 60,000 we are supposed to get 12% interest. So see, 60,000, 12% interest. So that becomes 7,200 rupees. So we are supposed to receive 7,200 rupees as an interest on investment, and we have already received 6,000 rupees. So 6,000 is already received by us. So difference amount of 1,200 rupees is an accrued interest which we have to adjust while preparing the income and expenditure account. So it will be by interest on investment, that is 6,000 rupees plus accrued interest on investment, that is 1,200. So recorded in the balance sheet also. Now we move to the payment side, where we have paid for furniture 70,000. So expenditure, that is furniture is your asset, so this will not be recorded here. But we can see that we have recorded one adjustment here, that depreciate furniture at the rate of 10%. So we have to record the depreciation which we will be charging on the furniture. So furniture depreciation equals to 70,000 at the rate of 10%. So this becomes 7,000. So 2 depreciation on furniture, that is 7,000 rupees. So this is an adjustment entry related with depreciation which will be recorded here. Charity given, so it will be 2 charity, that is 10,000. Then comes tournament expenses. We have already got the tournament donation, so 40,000 rupees we have already got. 30,000 we have done as an expenditure, so still 10,000 is remaining, so it will be going as a part of treatment of the specific fund in balance sheet. So there is no effect of this tournament expense in your income and expenditure account, because we have already got the donation for organizing the tournament. So whatever expenditure will be done, we have to use this money. So this is our liability, and still 10,000 will be remaining there in the specific fund while preparing the balance sheet. Then comes salary. So salary again is the expenditure. That is 63,600. Then comes honorarium. Honorarium, it is the honorary amount which is being given to any of the guest who is coming and performing some of the job. So for providing his services, the NGOs are giving them the honorary remuneration which they are not demanding or they are not expecting anything, but NGOs, they are giving them some reward for doing their work. So that is honorarium. So 4,000 rupees honorarium. Then by 12% investment, this is your asset. We have invested the money, so this will not be there, and the closing balances of cash will also not be recorded, because these are the part of the balance sheet. Now one more adjustment we have written, that we were having the sports material on 1/4/19 20,000 rupees, and then on 31/3/20 it was 15,000. So in the beginning of the year we were having 20,000 rupees as a sports material, and at the end we were only having 15,000. So what has happened, that during the year we have consumed the material worth rupees 5,000. So that is a part of the material consumed during the year. It will be recorded on the debit side of income and expenditure account to sports material consumed, that is 5,000 rupees. How it comes? That is sports material consumed 20,000 minus 15,000 equals to 5,000. So this is 5,000 rupees material we have consumed during the year. So we have recorded all the items which are related with the revenue nature while preparing the income and expenditure account, and we have left out all the items of the capital nature, the balances of cash, liability, furniture, donations. All these things we have not recorded in income and expenditure account, because these are the part of balance sheet. So it will go in balance sheet. Now we have to see that at the end of the year, what is the result? we have to find out the result that whether there is a surplus or a deficiency. So how we will be doing it? We have to first calculate the amount of debit and credit side. So in credit side, what we are observing, 140, 20, 160, 164 and 7, 1,71,200 is the amount on credit side. And then on debit side it is 7, 10, 17,000 and then 63, it becomes 80,000, 84, 89, 89,600. So 89,600 is the amount on debit side. So we have to subtract this amount. Yes. Now it becomes 12 minus 6, 6, 10 minus 9, it becomes 1, 16 minus 8, it becomes 8. So overall effect 81,600 surplus, because your income is more and your expenses are less. So we will record that is 2 surplus, that is 81,600, and we will add or close the income and expenditure account with 1,71,200. So this is the final figure, 1,71,200. 1,71,200. So at the end of the year, what we have observed, that the XYZ Sports Club has got a surplus of 81,600 rupees. So now it is clear to you that how you are supposed to pay the receipt and payment account from the cash book, and then with the help of this receipt and payment account, how we have to prepare the income and expenditure account, and what are the effects of the various types of adjustments which will be there while preparing the income and expenditure account. So hope all this thing is clear to you, and now you will be able to do the numericals related with the preparation of receipt payment account and income and expenditure account. Have a nice day.